Hey everybody, Tony from EAA in Queensland. Here today to talk to you about DandA hammers. So serviceability of your hammer. Obviously we can do that on site with our own service department here at EAA, and with a massive 2-year warranty on these hammers. Obviously our service department will give you peace of mind that your hammer will be well used into the future. Some of the benefits of DandA hammers. It's one of the lowest maintenance cost hammers in the industry, with a durable closed box housing on all models and dust protection on the 100DX models and above. This helps prevent dust and debris entering into the percussion chamber, significantly reducing possibility of oil leak and damage on seals, pistons and cylinders. Also there you've got large oversized double retaining pins, bolt-free housing with no salt bolts to replace, obviously much cheaper for maintenance. Has a floating power cell, so no metal-to-metal contact between the power cell and housing. This minimises the delivery of the power cell impact and energy to the excavation broom and arm to prevent excavator broom and arm from fatigue and stress